This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Friday, January 21st, 2011. And today we're going to take a look at CYBL Corp. This is a NASDAQ bulletin board company trading under ticker CYBL. See, it's been in a pretty solid slide since last August. Looks like it's making a nice rounded bottom right here. This might go into a cup. It might try and put together another move again today. So I'm going to take a look at these indicators and see what they're telling us. Again, nice thing we always look for, that positive divergence back towards zero. PPS trending down, MACD trending up. Histograms popped through zero. Got a bullish cross back in through this area. Just now popped through that 50-day with a little bit of volume, so we're going to keep an eye on this today. One of the cases where the PPO has a different look, but again, bullish cross about the same time. Strong trend back towards zero. ADX in that very neutral position. All three portions of the indicator tucked together. No real direction picked. You can see now it looks like there goes that positive DI with a little bit of buying pressure. It's like the ADX is trying to flatten. We're going to keep an eye on this and see if it's going to start to put together any kind of stronger uptrend. Classic things we look for right through there. All three together, moving through 50. Looks good. Accumulation distribution, breaking through this short-term downtrend that it had right through here, holding this base, and looks like it's going to try and make some higher highs now. Nice trend back towards zero with the shake and money flow. Breaking through zero, buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure. By definition, that breakthrough 100 is the buy point with the CCI. Everything on this chart's looking pretty strong. Nice uptrend recently to the full stow. Back over top of 50. Holding there now for the last several weeks. Very nice look to that. We're going to pay attention to this tricks and see if this is going to pop through this trend line and get out of this channel that it's in through here. Want to see that make a higher high at this point, start trending back towards zero. It's still actually in an overall downtrend, so we're going to pay attention to see if this is going to reverse course. And a very nice look to the RSIs. All three over top of 50 now. It's where we want to see them. Want to see this 7 push its way through 70 and add even more strength to this. Overall, we're looking at this long-term downtrend that's being broken. Again, base being held. Too far away to call it a bottom support for any sort of play at this point. All the way down here at 0015. But again, strong support level. Look for some support right in through this area. I'm not zoomed in close enough to give us a real accurate reading of what that is. I would guess that's somewhere back around 0025. But even more recently, this just punched through a couple different levels. Right there would be where I'd call my support I want to see. I want to see it hold that 50-day moving average. That line of resistance that it broke through yesterday, I want to see become support. That's actually at 003. This closed at 0034. See just above that old high right there. So it puts you right about a 10% loss, but it's important to me that it holds that 50-day moving average, even if this wants to trend sideways a little bit, because this could be considered a cup. If it does try and put some sort of handle to it, I want to see it just kind of trend right through here and then try and explode again. But right now, with the way these indicators are set up, I'm actually looking for this to try and push forward again today. See, it's kind of at another level of resistance right through there. Not that strong. Moving through here was a bigger thing for me. I'm not riding on that one too much, even though it is a resistance area. I'm going to look for this to be stronger up here around 4. Again, pretty nice gains from where it is. It's about an 18% move or so, somewhere around there. And more importantly, it's really pushing its way off the bottom, and I want to see if it can take out that resistance. So this could consolidate, but today I'm looking for this to try and get an even bigger volume push. You see 6.1 million shares is still pretty decent volume. I'd like to see it at least do that, maybe a little bit more, maybe 10 million shares, and see if it can put some real strong buying pressure and challenge this 004 area. From there, if I had to target resistance again, there is going to be some more right up here around 005. I'd look longer term on this to try and get up near 006, just in the aspect of that's going to be a pretty significant resistance level. I'm not saying it's going there today, tomorrow, or anything like that. I'm just saying that look at that area as a very strong area of resistance if it can make a move and come up that high. But right now, all the indicators seem to be aligned nicely for this to try and make a continuation pattern, establish this as a true bottom. So we'll be keeping an eye on this today and see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the CYBL chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.